Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys this really cute camping trip mini book that I made. I thought it would be fun to do a quick flip through and share it with you guys. So to assemble my book, I started with some 4x6 journal cards and adhered them together back to back with some of the Tombow Mono Permanent Adhesive Plus. This stuff is great. It has a really quick start, which is nice, and it's very accurate. So I highly recommend this if you want to try the same kind of book. For all of the hand lettering that I did throughout the book, I used a Tombow Fudenosuke calligraphy brush pen. For my photos, I just printed them out myself in a square shape, and I left a white border around them because I thought that'd be kind of nice. I used some washi and stickers from my stash. For journaling spots, I used some 3x4 journal cards placed horizontally. Again, layered some more washi, some more stickers. I love this picture of Spency. He's reading a book, which he loves to do, and he's scratching Archie because Archie was not digging the whole camping thing. And Shiloh's just like, dude, get it together. What's your problem? I think it's so funny. And then this page doesn't have any journaling, but I layered the journal card vertically because I really like the pattern of it. These are some like wheat things, I guess. I don't know, weeds. I don't know. Overlooking the lake. We were camping at the top of a pretty tall little hill thing. So if you guys ever go to Lake Lopez to go camping, it's in Central California. Go to the Buck Campground and try to get number 1 because it's really nice. It's kind of by itself a little bit, and it's at the top of this really big hill, and it's not a long walk to the lake or the marina store, which is nice. This photo I cut down into a circle so it would fit in this like open spot in this card. I thought that was kind of neat. Again, layered another journal card, some more washi, some more stickers. And we made s'mores one night. Another card. And I used my Heidi Swap cinch machine to bind the book, but if you create a similar book, you can use whatever you want. You could use like book rings or whatever. It's my mama. And then just a couple more pictures from the area. It was really cool to see a deer one day. And then yeah, some more journal cards, some more stickers. And that is the finished mini album. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little flip through of this mini album. I had a lot of fun making it. There is a corresponding blog post over on the Tombow blog where you can see close-up pictures of this and hear more about my process of creating the book. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!